If you want to disconnect Google Drive from OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove that connection step by step so you can keep your cloud accounts clean and organized. Whether you connected Google Drive by accident, you no longer want OneDrive importing files, or you're just doing a bit of account cleanup, this guide will walk you through the full process. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in with the Microsoft account that's connected to your OneDrive. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This is where OneDrive stores most of its account and sync options. After you click the gear icon, a quick menu will appear. From there, select Settings again to open the full Settings panel. This is important because the option to disconnect Google Drive is not on the main home screen. It's inside the full OneDrive settings area. Now, in the sidebar on the left, look for the section called Import Cloud Photos and Files. Depending on your OneDrive version, this may sometimes appear as Import History. Microsoft sometimes changes the wording a little, but the idea is the same. This is the area where OneDrive manages imported cloud connections from other services. Once you find that section, click it. You should now see any connected cloud services listed on the page. Look specifically for Google Drive. Next to it, you'll usually see a 3 dots menu, also called the ellipsis. Click those 3 dots to open the available actions. From the menu, choose Disconnect from Google Drive. OneDrive will then ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the connection. Take a second to make sure this is the account you want to disconnect, because once you confirm, the link between OneDrive and Google Drive will be removed. Click Confirm or Continue when the prompt appears. After that, OneDrive will permanently remove the Google Drive connection from your account. That means it will no longer import files or keep the two services linked through that setting. If you don't see Google Drive right away, double-check that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that you're looking in the Import Cloud Photos and File section. Sometimes users have more than one account open, and that can make the option a little hard to find. And that's it. You've now successfully disconnected Google Drive from OneDrive. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now your cloud storage settings are a lot more organized. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another OneDrive or Google Drive setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.